Hi, today I'm for the SAMSUNG Galaxy A14 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, we should just hold for a while the empty space on our home screen with the finger by this way, and then we'll see here widgets icon. Just tap once on the icon and after that you'll see here all of the available applications, what widgets we can add. For example, we can see that the calendar widget has 4 different types of the widgets. Just to add them, we should tap on the widget and click to add. Now it's just successfully added to our home screen. To resize the widget, we should just hold it and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. To move it on the home screen or between the screens, we should just hold the widget and drag it to the left or to the right side. Also, we can create the new screens for the widget. And just to remove it from our home screen, we should just hold it and tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.